I'm Michelle Gomley, and I just want to share what motivated me to join the EFT training. It's something that I experienced with my manager during supervision. Something came up for me and she was able to turn to EFT and we did it together, and it was just so helpful at reducing the emotional intensity. The great thing about EFT that I found during this training is that I've been able to go straight to the crux of an issue as young as 2 and as a baby for some things. These core issues that I've been able to deal with in a really contained way that's felt really safe, and it hasn't been too intense. It's just like navigating straight through many different experiences right to this earlier one. I've started using EFT within my clinical work, and I found it particularly helpful when I've had clients that have become stuck or maybe really fixed about something. In tapping around that area, I found that it's really been helpful for them to move to a more flexible place and be able to think about other options, and that's helped us to move closer towards the issues that we've been working on already. So the great thing is I can bring into any of the therapies that I offer. We're tapped together, and it creates that safety within the session, and for them they often report that the emotions have reduced intensity. So it's just a lovely tool to have that can manage things that are popping up in the session that are stopping us to get to where we want to be or to stay focused on the area that we're working on. Put that to one side and let us continue. It can be fun, it can be playful, and I found that clients really engage with it. And someone was going on holiday and I did a recording for them to take with them, and they found that really helpful. It kind of continued with the work that we were doing until we met up again. Recently I focused on something before I went to bed because it was like prominent in my mind, and I thought I was going to struggle to get to sleep, and that was really effective. So yeah, many uses, and empowering too for clients that when they're struggling they've got this that they can turn to. So get tapping, everybody.